Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see research funding agencies which are open throughout the year. That means you can submit your proposal anytime, any day, and any month. Let us see. So the very first one which we are going to see talk about is Abdul Kalam Technology Innovation National Fellowship. So this is what. So what are the important factor which you should check is what the scope. Okay, whether that research funding agencies they are under your scope of subject area, and the next one is what is the deadline and how long you have to do the project. That is whether it is a short term or it's a long term. Short term in the sense it might be 6 months to 1 year. Long term in the sense it might be 2 years to 5 years. So these two things you have to check. And then apart from that, how what is the budget? Okay, like how you have to frame the budget and what is the budget. And other than that, you have to just concentrate on the proposal format. So we will look all these things. So this is the first one, which is Abdul Kalam Technology Innovation National Fellowship. So you can see that who can apply. Okay, so Indian National Academy of Engineering will award Abdul Kalam Technology Innovation National Fellowship for to the outstanding engineers to recognize and encourage support translation. So they are talking about who is offering this funding. Okay, and scope is all areas of engineering. Great, and innovation and technology will be covered by this fellowship. So let us go ahead. So here you can see that the applicant should have minimum of 5 years of service left in the parent organization on the date of the award. Okay, so here you can see that this is the fellowship they are giving you. Okay, and the important thing is the fellowship can be held for a maximum of 5 years. Okay, this is a long term thing. Okay, and the nature of support is what they are offering 25,000 per month in addition to the regular income, and the research grant is 15 lakhs. Since it is a long term project, they are offering they are offering the support for 15 lakhs per annum. Okay, so you have to look at this, you have to look the scope and what is the duration. Let us proceed further. So what is the expected outcome? What they are exactly looking for, like a commercialized or deployable technology. Okay, so this also you have to check. And the nominations can be sent by the head of the institution or organization, presidents, fellows of national science engineering academies, ss bhatnagar awardees, and jc bose awardees. So these are the important thing which you have to look for. And here you can find that the nomination will be accepted throughout the year. So this you have to check. Okay, and how many fellowship they are just accepting? So they are accepting 10 fellowship will be awarded per year. So this is important, we have checked this. Apart from this, you can if you want more information about it, you can just contact the person. Okay, you can mail them or you can go to the website and see. So the important thing is what you have to look for the format. Okay, so the format is very important, and then you have to take care of everything whatever should be included in the particular proposal. So the second funding agency which we are going to talk about is what from the DST. Okay, that is SCRB Research Scientist Scheme. So here you can see that this is what SCRB Research Scientist Scheme. So you can see the complete information about it. This is offering by DST, okay, Department of Science and Technology. And here you can see that it is after 5 years of completion. That is, these schemes do not offer extension of the fellowship after completion of 5 years. So they are not allowing any extensions. You have to complete within 5 years. Okay, then you can just see about everything. So what is the scope of the scope of the that is the scope of this funding agency. So what are the domain they are covering? Okay, so this is tenure of inspire faculty of DST, Ramanujam Fellowship of SCRB. Okay, and then they are providing some more information about this. If you just go to this particular website, okay, if you want I can leave this in the comment or I can pin this as a message. Okay, so here you can see more information about SCRB Research Scientist Scheme. You can click here and check this. Okay, and more about this we can see here. Okay, So you can find more about this Inspire Faculty Award and the complete information about it. So here, what they are giving, like emolument and research grant, 2 lakhs per annum, 1 lakh per annum, and 70,000 to 75,000 per month they are providing. Okay, for the first year, and for the second year, how much they are providing. And you can also check for the format, the proposal format. If you just scroll down, you can see these are all the scope they are just covering, that is subject area. So here you can see that it's a chemical science, earth and atmospheric science, engineering sciences, life sciences, mathematical science, and physical science. So if you are under these subject area, definitely you can apply for this. Okay, and if you just scroll down, you can see what is the application format. Okay, before proceeding, you just take a printout of this and look what are all the important information, you have to fill it down. Okay, and what they are asking for, they most of the time they'll be asking for the budget. Fine. And you have to give a detailed proposal. So if you want to know about how to write the budget, please let me know. I'll be telling you like how to write a budget and how to create a proposal and everything. So here you can see the complete list of things. Okay, undertaking certificate by the applicant and everything. Okay, so this is the complete information about it. So if you just go to this website and see here, you can see that SRS is purely temporary and contractual assignment, and it is tenable for a period of 2 years. Okay, extensible to one more year. Fine. So here they are just extending up to one more year. Other than that, they have given the emolument and everything. Okay, and you can also check for the that is it's open. Okay, the application for SRS will be opened throughout the year for Inspire Faculty Ramanujam Fellows. Okay, it is open throughout the year. So I hope you find this information very useful. You have two proposed, that is true research funding agency, which are open throughout the year. One is Abdul Kalam Technology Innovation National Fellowship, and another one is SCRB. So start working on it. You can submit the proposal at any time. If you have any doubts, you can just leave a comment on this. And if you want any support, it's not a paid support. Okay, so if you want any other advice for your PhD, you can definitely do that. Please leave your comment. Take care. Bye bye.